Right, so we'll be revising 2023 paper 1, and the first question says evaluate 8 over 27 to the power 1 over 3. So this topic is on indices, and when we've got a fractional power, it means the numerator is a power and the denominator is the root. So in this case, since our denominator is 3, it means it's a cube root, and our numerator is 1, it means to the power 1. So I'm going to write this one as the 8 over 27. Now we're going to put a cube root, or this is going to be under a cube root. And this in turn means that this is 8, the cube root of 8, over the cube root of 27, like that. Okay, so the cube root of 8 is definitely 2, and the cube root of 27 is a 3. All right, so that's how you answer question 1. So the answer is simply 2 over 3. Question 2 is saying factorize completely 3 power x to the power 3 minus 27 power x. All right, so factorization, the first thing is we're going to ask ourselves what is common between the two terms that have been given. So the first thing that is common is, of course, a 3 is common. Then we also have x, which is also common. So what will remain if we factor out 3x from 3x to the power 3, what will remain is x to the power 2 minus, and then there what will remain, x has gone, and 27 divided by 3 is simply a 9. So in brackets now, in these brackets we've got difference of 2 squares, so it can also be written as 3x, open brackets, x squared minus 3 squared. Now this is a difference of 2 squares. So therefore, we are going to say the answer is going to be 3x, then open brackets, x plus 3, then x minus 3. And that is our final answer. If you want, you can also include the square brackets like this, but it's all the same. So this is how we answer that question. Okay, then we move on to question 3, which says simplify to 2a minus 5b, open brackets, a minus b plus ab. Okay, so the first thing is you're going to expand to remove the brackets from the term, the mid term, this term here in between. Okay, so we're going to first of all expand. So we're going to say the answer is going to be 2a. Now minus 5b multiplied by a, we're going to get minus 5ab. Then minus 5b multiplied by negative b, we're going to get plus 5b squared, then plus ab. Then we're going to group together or collect the like terms, and we're going to have 2a minus 5ab. Now this one is like term with plus ab plus 5b squared. Okay, those are the only like terms that we have. So 2a minus 5ab plus ab will give us minus 4ab plus 5b squared. And that we can check, there are no like terms, so we have simplified this expression. So that will be our final answer. All right, moving on, we have this question 4. Question 4 is saying the point A, which is -5, 3, and the point B have a midpoint 4, -2. Find the coordinates of B. Okay, so I'm going to illustrate this one just to make you understand. I'm going to do it here. So we might have a line, okay? We might have a line like this, and this is point A, point B, and this line has got a midpoint somewhere here. And then they are telling us to say there is this A, -5, 3, and there is this B, a midpoint, which is 4, -2. And this one, our B is going to be x, y. So they want us to find the coordinates of B. So midpoint equals to, you add the x values, so x plus x1 over 2, depends whatever. You can even say x1 plus x2, and then we're going to say y plus y1 divided by 2, like that. Okay, so the midpoint has been given to say it is 4, -2 equals to the points x plus, you can say, -5 divided by 2, y plus 3 divided by 2. Okay, so we're going to equate the x value in this midpoint coordinate with the x coordinate in the midpoint. So 4 will be equal to x minus 5 divided by 2. When we cross multiply here, we're going to have x minus 5 equal to 8. All right, and if 5 goes to the other side of the equation, to be 8 plus 5, which gives us 13. So x equals to 13 here. Then the other point is -2 equal to y plus 3 divided by 2. And when we say y plus 3, we're going to get -6. -4. -4. Now, -4 plus -3, we're going to get -7. So therefore, the coordinates of B are going to be 13, -7, like that. So those are the coordinates of B. Okay, in my previous video we did question 5, so you can check it out. Question 5 was done because it was a request from someone. So in my next video I'm going to do question 6 to question 10. Okay, so for now we're going to end here, and if there are any questions, you can please request for a video on a particular question and we can do it together. So subscribe and follow, and thank you for watching.